Okay, we are on the second video. You should be here. You should have the markdown cell. This is number 1, and number 2 is the importing and instantiation of the objects, plus adding this little variable debug equals true. Okay, so what we need to do now is to put the code in. What do we want to do? Well, click the plus sign and we'll get a new cell. And let's just do the main part of the program first, and we'll establish the functions. Plus start, S-T-A-R-T, keep it in caps, give us two spaces will be fine. Now, what we want to do is very simple. We want to make a loop, like a forever loop in Scratch, and what we're going to do is we're going to keep going forward, click, 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 until we hit get closer than 5 inches, say, to some object. Then the robot will stop, it'll back up, turn it a random direction, and then just go through the whole process again. And the way that you do that in text is you do while, and then capital T-R-U-E. You put a true loop with a colon. And you put the colon at the end, and then it will automatically space 4 for you, because now everything's with 4 spaces underneath here will be inside the loop. Now the first thing we want to do is to do an if statement. If the distance is greater than 5, we'll go forward. So let's put that in there. If, and we'll say, how do we do that? Well, we do d dot, and in fact you could probably find it up here. Let's just take it up here. Let's do that. It's right up here, and what we do is copy it. Oh, come on. Well, we could copy this, and if d dot, get used to copying it. Somehow I'm having some problems here, but if you do that, then you've got it, and it didn't even have the thing properly. There should be an R here. So it says read inches, and if it does that, and we want that to be greater than 5, and we put a colon at the end and hit a return, and now it will space 4 again. Now this is if it's true, and if it's true, what are we going to do? We're going to go forward. Now we don't have this made yet, but this just means it's a function, so we'll build that later. That'll be in one of the other videos. We hit a return, and then we hit a backspace and do else. And I spelled it correctly, and it's the right color, so there we go. And what are we going to do? We're going to stop. And again, I could copy paste it from up there. And the other thing is, now we're going to flash some lights. Flash lights, double parenthesis, and we're going to back up. Boy, I am not one of your better typists, that's for sure. Back up, fire up the parentheses. And the last thing was random turn. Okay. And then hit delete or backspace and back to here. Now, what this is the forever loop. If the read inches is greater than 5, we're going forward. Else, which means if it's not less than 5, you stop. We flash lights, we back up, random turn, and go through this whole process again, and this will go on forever. Okay, so this will be the main part of the program. And if you kind of know what you're doing, I like to write it this way. Now, we don't have any code for go forward. These will be functions, and we'll build those in the next video.